Summer is upon us, the tomatoes are ripe, and the basil is fresh. We got leftover summer sausage in the freezer, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this venison summer sausage caprese salad. Sometimes I get tired of eating just summer sausage by itself, so why not turn it into a fresh, bright salad like we are doing with the caprese salad here. I believe that the venison summer sausage is the star of this dish, but that basil helps cut it. It adds a nice little sweetness to it. The fresh tomatoes and the creamy mozzarella. It's really simple to make, a couple seconds. Let me show you how I like to do it. To get started, we're going to work on all of our ingredients by slicing them. We're going to take our tomatoes, we're going to slice these thin, but not too thin. We want everything to be about the same thickness, so that way we're not too big of a bite. We're going to cut these all about the same. Our tomatoes, our mozzarella, our summer sausage, and we're going to chiffonade our basil. And for that, we're just going to take off the stem, roll it up, and slice it real thin. Once we get all the ingredients sliced, we're going to start plating. To plate this, we're going to take our favorite serving dish or plate. We're going to layer it tomato, mozzarella, summer sausage, in that order, all the way across our plate. We're going to top it with basil, a fresh crack of salt and pepper, a little bit of olive oil, and some balsamic glaze. Let's get the perfect composed bite, a little bit of everything. Summer sausage, the tomato, the mozzarella. Let's get a little bit more of that balsamic glaze on there. Let's dig in. That's so good. It's light, it's refreshing, but it's hearty enough because you have the summer sausage in there. This is a great appetizer at a party, get together, maybe even deer camp starting next year when you got some tomatoes, or even a light, easy dinner. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please hit that thumbs up button if you're new to the channel. Please subscribe. Don't forget to head on over and check out shop.TaggedOut.com where we have all of our written recipes. Don't forget to tune in this Thursday for more hunting and fishing videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later.